Bharatiya civilization is the most ancient living civilization in the world. David Reich, a geneticist at Harvard Medical School, said, "Ancestry like that in the Indus Valley civilization individuals is the primary ancestry source in South Asia today." This finding ties people in South Asia today directly to the Indus Valley civilization. The journal Cell and Nature magazine compared the DNA of modern South Asians, revealing that the people of the Indus Valley civilization were the primary ancestors of most living in Bharata. Vasant Shinde, the former Vice Chancellor of Deccan College in Pune, who is also the archaeologist leading the excavations at Rakhigadi, was quoted as saying, "The Rakhigadi human DNA clearly shows a predominant local element. The mitochondrial DNA is very strong in it. This indicates quite clearly through archaeological data that the Vedic era that followed was a fully indigenous period. The Vedic period was a magical period for Bharat, for it witnessed cultural, economic, social and political advancements on a grand scale. The Vedas, Upanishads and epics like the Mahabharata and Ramayana stand as pillars of India's ancient wisdom. The term Bharat signifies not just a geographical entity but a cultural and historical landscape that has been shaped by millennia of tradition, governance and philosophical thought. Bharat's knowledge tradition is ancient and uninterrupted like the flow of the river Ganga. From the Indus Valley civilization, the Vedas, the Upanishads and other texts evidence that knowledge has been at the center of all inquiry. Vedangas are 6 auxiliary disciplines associated with the study and understanding of the Vedas. They are Shiksha, which is phonetics, Kalpa, which is ritual canon, Vyakarana, that is grammar, Nirukta, explanation, Chanda, Vedic meter, and Jyotisha, which is astrology. Bharatiya Panchanga evolved over thousands of years since the Vedic time. It is a backbone of Indian lifestyle with all festivals, local events, celestial events and miscellaneous information. While the West believed that the earth was flat, we knew about the dimensions of the earth, the speed at which the earth moved, the distance between the earth and the moon, the positioning of other planets, the speed at which other planets revolved around the sun and the length of their orbits around the sun. These details have been clearly and precisely mentioned over 2200 years ago in the Surya Siddhanta, which is a treatise on astronomy. The fact that it takes the 9 planets a total of 60 years to complete one circumference of the sun has been mentioned in the Surya Siddhanta over 2200 years ago and has also been accepted by our modern space researchers. For thousands of years, our calendars have been charted following the methods of calculation elucidated in the Surya Siddhanta. Keeping with the findings elaborated in the Surya Siddhanta, each of these 60 years has been assigned a name and a presiding deity. In different societies, depending on their requirements and practices, which involve rituals, social and civil events, various calendar systems have evolved. These systems are essentially based on the solar year, either tropical or sidereal, or on lunar year. Samvatsara means a year in Sanskrita as per our Sanatana Panchanga. There are 60 Samvatsaras as listed by the great saint Varahamihira in Brihat Samhita. The running Samvatsara is Shobhakrit and the next year as per the periodic cycle is Krodhi Rama Samvatsara, which starts from April 14th, 2024. ARRAM Valarthanayagi Sevai Mayyam invites you to be a part of the grand celebration of this Krodhi Nama Samvatsara, the start of the new year of the world's most ancient living civilization. The 37th year, as mentioned in the Surya Siddhanta, was Shobhakrit, which we crossed last year. As the 38th year, known as Krodhi, dawns, may every Tamilan worship and celebrate the presiding deity Uma Maheshwara. ARRAM Valarthanayagi Sevai Mayyam is planning to usher in this Krodhi year with an event that blends scientific reasoning, culture and bhakti. Let us invoke the anugraha of Uma Maheshwara and fill this year with love and prosperity. We invite you to celebrate this grand new year with your friends and neighbors by sharing an image of Shri Uma Maheshwara and a token of ₹1 to each household as a proud member of this Bharatiya civilization. Vanakkam.